What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm at 6 months, you guys. Like, that is fucking crazy. Just a little update. Like, I skipped last month because I did not retwist at all. So from 4 months I washed, but I did not retwist. So I just retwisted my hair on Sunday today. No, I retwisted Saturday evening. Today is Monday. I wanted to go on ahead and update you guys on how everything has been going. I did not retwist at all last month, which is one of the reasons why I didn't even feel a need to update you guys. Like, I didn't have too many changes between the 4 and 5 month update, so I'm like, let me just skip on ahead to 6 months because I feel like this is a significant occurrence. So yeah, I already showed you guys, you know, what everything is looking like overall. I have noticed a lot of shrinkage, mainly up top. So like where, you know, I had the looser textures, you can see that it has begun to, you know, ball up on the ends. And I've seen this before on, you know, a similar texture to mine. And I've been kind of debating whether or not I want to have just these locks up top crocheted, just so I have a more consistent shape. For right now, I'm just gonna let them do what they do. As you can see, they just kind of wanna stick out on the sides, which is totally fine because it actually gives me a little bit of volume and shape, so I'm not mad at all. As far as products are concerned, nothing has really changed. Everything has remained the same. To refresh my hair, same shit, same shampoo, but I did want to give you guys a educated review on the Talia Waajid because as you can see, I am pretty much out of this. So the Talia Waajid Stimulating Herbal Cleanser. This was the most popular shampoo that I found when I researched shampoos specifically for locks. This is a clarifying pre-shampoo. Its claims are to deeply cleanse the hair and scalp, thoroughly removes buildup, and it has mint and tea tree oil in it. What I loved automatically about this is that it is Black owned. Talia Waajid is a Black owned beauty brand, so I wanted to include this in my February Black History Month highlights for Black owned beauty brands. And this product is paraben free. Now, it does not say that it's sulfate free, which kind of worried me, but after using the whole bottle, I had no concerns. I actually liked the stripping qualities of this shampoo because I knew for a fact that I was getting a really, really deep clean. If you know anything about sulfates are more harsher cleansers that they usually put in hair products in general. But it was not a bad thing for me. My hair is not color treated at the moment, even though I have like some leftover color on the ends. You know, I don't care if that color is stripped away or not because it kind of gives me like a bleached in look situation. So that was totally fine with me. And then overall, like I said, this cleanser gave me the deepest clean ever. Like, I love the tingling feeling and how I would normally do. And I want to say that I mentioned all of this in my start to finish lock retwist video, and I'll make sure I put that up in the cards for you guys. That I start with this shampoo. I'll, you know, give it a good lather, massage it in really well, let it sit for like 3 minutes to really kind of, you know, break down anything that may be stuck in my hair. For my second wash, I used the Dr. Bronner's Rose Castile soap. Absolutely love that as well. It's very moisturizing. You can definitely feel a difference between this. This is going to strip away everything, and with the rose kind of replaces any moisture that you need in your hair. And I've absolutely been loving the combo. But back to this guy. Would I recommend this? Absolutely. It's very easily accessible. I actually found it in my local beauty supply store, even though ordering online would benefit the brand more. You know, a buy is a buy, right? So I love how easily accessible it is. This bottle, as you can tell, lasted me about 6 months. So yes, I would absolutely recommend this. This has been good to me. I actually will be repurchasing a bigger bottle next time just so I don't have to purchase as often. Really don't feel the need to, because really I would only be buying once or twice a year anyways. But, you know, just for the sake of saving a buck. So I highly recommend this shampoo. And then other than that, like, everything has been absolutely super easy. I do want to do a video on ways that I style my locks here recently. I've been a little bit more open to doing different things with my hair. I'm actually thinking about going to my loctician for my birthday. So that is something that I will update you guys on as well. However, I'm just in like celebration mode that I have made it this far with my hair. And I definitely feel like my hair, for the most part, is like completely locked up. The ends, you know, they're gonna take some time, which is completely natural. But like I said, the only concerns that I have right now is whether or not I want to get these top guys crocheted, which, I mean, like I said, I don't think that I will, only because I kind of like the shape that I have going on. So there goes my update. There goes my review for this product. If you guys enjoy lock videos, make sure that you hit this with a thumbs up. Request anything down below if you guys want to see how I style my hair in between my retwists, or any other product review videos. Definitely let me know down below. And until the next one, I will see you guys later.